Everyone thinks the best-selling tuner for the 5.3 Silverado is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ROPODE AFM Disabler. The ROPODE AFM Disabler caught my attention right away with its impressive features and a price tag of $72.99. This is a bestseller for a reason. If you want to eliminate the frustrating active fuel management issues in your 5.3 Silverado, this is worth a serious look. The installation is a breeze. Just plug it into your OBDI port, and it works without modifying your ECU. With over 2,100 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many drivers appreciate the enhanced driving experience this product offers. Now, some people complained about occasional connectivity issues. Here's the thing though, most users have found that simply unplugging and replugging the device resolves the issue. If you're someone who frequently tows or drives in varied conditions, this product's benefits far outweigh that minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your engine in V8 mode all the time and enjoy a smoother driving experience. Skip this one if you don't mind the 4-cylinder mode or if you drive a model not compatible with it. For the price, you get solid value for enhancing your Silverado's performance. Now, if the occasional connectivity issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Chatbrid AFM Disabler. Next up is the Chatbrid AFM Disabler, priced at $55.99. This one grabbed my attention with its promise of a permanent full-cylinder mode. If you're looking for a way to boost your Silverado's power and torque, this is definitely worth considering. What sets the Chatbrid apart is its ability to keep your engine in V8 mode at all times, which can be a game changer for performance and fuel economy. It installs in just about 60 seconds, and you don't have to worry about any ECU modifications. With a 4.6-star rating from 156 reviews, it's clear this has resonated with many truck owners. Here's why this matters. If you want to protect your engine's lifters and camshafts while experiencing smoother acceleration, this device has you covered. Now, some users mention that the installation guide could be clearer. If you're someone who values a quick setup and instant results, this minor oversight shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-install option that provides a noticeable boost in performance. Skip this if you prefer a more advanced tuning solution or have a newer model that might not be compatible. For less than $60, it's a solid investment for any Silverado owner. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize compatibility. Product number 3, GenAppendex Disabler. The GenAppendex AFM Disabler comes in at $59.99 and offers wide compatibility with many GM models. Its design focuses on easy plug-and-play installation, which caught my eye immediately. If you want a reliable and straightforward solution to tackle AFM issues, this is worth considering. It's compatible with most GM vehicles from 2007 onward, which is super helpful if you have multiple vehicles. With a 4.5-star rating from 769 reviews, it seems like many users appreciate its durability and ease of use. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who occasionally parks your truck for longer periods, this feature can give you peace of mind and protect your investment. Here's the thing, if you have an older Silverado, this could be a fantastic fit, but newer models may need to look elsewhere. If you have a compatible vehicle, this product offers great value and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free installation and a device that keeps your engine healthy. Skip this one if you have the latest models or specific transmission types. For around $60, it provides solid performance without breaking the bank. Now, if compatibility was a concern for you, the next product might be even more straightforward. Product number 4, BELZAR AFM Disabler. Next, we have the BELZAR AFM Disabler for $55.99. This product stands out with its promise of enhanced engine performance by keeping your engine consistently in V8 mode. If you're tired of that annoying 4-cylinder mode, this might be a great solution. The BLZAR is designed for plug-and-play installation, meaning you can set it up in just 5 seconds, no reprogramming required. It offers real-time feedback with intuitive indicator lights, so you know your device is working as it should. This is crucial for avoiding any unwanted surprises while driving. With a 4.6-star rating from 484 reviews, many users seem pleased with how it boosts performance. Why this matters for you: if you regularly tow or haul, maintaining power is essential for a smooth driving experience. Now, some users have raised concerns about compatibility with newer models. But look, if you have an older Silverado, this product has a strong track record and is worth considering. Just make sure to double-check your model year to avoid issues. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss installation and immediate performance benefits. Skip this if you have a new truck with different engine management systems. For just under $60, it's a great investment for keeping your engine performing at its best. Now, if the installation time is critical for you, the next product might be even simpler. Product number 5, DZF-SDFI AFM Disabler. Finally, we have the DZF-SDFI AFM Disabler at $49.99. This option offers a fantastic way to enhance your driving experience without complicating things. If you're looking for an affordable way to keep your engine in peak condition, this one is worth a look. What's impressive about the DZF-SDFI is its latest generation chipset that helps maintain smooth operation in your GM engine. No coding or modification required, so you can enjoy a clean setup. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 700 reviews, many users appreciate its ease of use and reliability. Here's why this matters. If you want to avoid headaches related to the AFM system while keeping power at your fingertips, this disabler can really help. However, a few users mentioned that it doesn't work well with certain 10-speed transmissions. Honestly, if you have one of those newer models, you might want to double-check compatibility. But if you're driving an older Silverado, this product delivers solid performance and value. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use device that won't break the bank. Skip this if you have the latest models that may not be compatible. For under $50, it's a great way to boost your driving experience without spending a fortune. So to wrap it up, we've covered 5 solid tuners for your 5.3 Silverado. The ROPODE and Chatbrid are fantastic for performance boosts, while GenApindex and BLZAR offer great plug-and-play options. Lastly, the DZF-SDFI is perfect for those seeking an affordable yet effective solution. Pick the one that suits your needs best and enjoy a better driving experience.